you're the lucky winner. But
Very
for
cool.
now, we're just saying congratulations and a happy, healthy
Happy New Year
to all. Want to wish everybody, I don't know if this works this way, but Happy New Year, be safe, stay safe, and thank you again for helping to make the Hiccup a fun place to visit.
Awesome.
Take
Happy
care.
New Year, everyone.